everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner. So this is my planner that I use for YouTube, for Stampin' Up, and just for, I guess that, just for that. And we are planning the week of March 5th through March 11th. Oh, I didn't realize it was through March 11th. Well, that might change a few things. Stand by. Because March 11th is my birthday, and I was thinking that I was going to, I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking that my birthday week was the week after this one. But this is my birthday week. So let me put this one back and get out. I think I want to use this one. Yeah, I think I do. Okay, so then I need a little bit of washi. That's funny, I didn't realize. So let's see here. Does this one match? Not really. Maybe I'll just use like a gold, or I wonder if I have like a green, like that color green. Nope. So I'm gonna go with this gold. I think it'll be fine. I just use it for a little bit anyway. So, whew, this is gonna be a busy week. But it will be a good week, I think. I have lots of things going on with my regular job. Like the one that pays the bills. So it's a crazy busy week. And I broke one of my nails, so I have to go get those done, and hopefully I'll be able to do it today. If not today, I think I can still do it tomorrow. Tuesday is out of the question. We have a very busy day on Tuesday. But I think tomorrow I could do it. I could do it today if I want to, but I mean, it's still early. But today is Sunday, and I haven't posted these yet. So I have obviously a lot to do. I am behind in my unboxings. I'm behind in my plan with me's. I don't usually like to get like this, but for whatever reason right now, it's not really bothering me. I mean, I don't like it, but it's not like, usually if I'm this far behind, I'm like kind of going nuts and going, oh my gosh, I have to get this done, I have to get this done, I have to get this done. And right now I'm okay with it, which is, I guess in one way it's nice, but in another way it's really weird for me because I am so much of a planner that, you know. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started with the week, even though it's upon us. So today, like I said, is Sunday, so it's very weird that I am planning on Sunday. I don't know that I've ever done this. Maybe I have. I know that like the first year and a half, I never did anything, like I was pretty regimented about when I got them posted and when I, you know, all of that. And then I've just recently kind of let that lapse a little, which is not really my thing, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm going with it. And this kit is from Adorably Amy, and it is adorably adorable. And I am just putting like a full box, I guess, for lack of a better word, on each day And I try to do a plain and then one with a little design and then a plain and then one with a little design throughout. She gave me 2 that are designed though right in a row, so I'm gonna have to do 2 with a design, but I'm gonna separate them because they both have drinks, which is really cute. This is called Cocktail Sweets. I was gonna say maybe I'll have a mocktail on my birthday, but I won't. It's too sugary. I'll be fine. And I'm going to use a today and a to-do on each day, and then I'll put list some things that I know I need to get done. So I'm just doing every other day with a different color. And this is one of her minis kits, or teeny weenies kits, or teenies kits. Whew, I'll get it out one of these days. Teenies is what she calls these. And I love them. I think she does a fabulous job. And these seem to fit my planner just perfectly. So then on the days that have a pink heading, I will put one of the green checklists. And on the days that have a green heading, I will put a pink checklist. So I hope that this week has been productive for you guys. I feel like I've gotten a lot done, but I feel like I still have a ton to do. It's weird. Maybe it's spring and just the whole idea of, you know, spring cleaning and getting all of things, you know, back in a row and or back on track and all of that. Maybe that's what it is. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to put a cupcake on my birthday, and I think I'll put some beads up there too. And planning day, I will put that on Thursday in hopes. And my payday sticker, I will put that on Friday. And I think I'll just decorate just a little bit with some of the extra stickers that I have. I'm going to put this on the 6th because that's my friend Tracy's birthday. And I will also give her a cupcake. Oh, she already has one. The same one that I picked, so I'll pick this one. She can have 2, one for me and one for her. And same with me, I'll put that one down here. And oh my goodness, I just flipped that. I couldn't find it for a second, but I found it. My nails are out of control long. I need to get them cut, trimmed, and redone. This looks like a nice Cosmo or something. This one almost doesn't even look like a drink. And then here's a little I don't know what these are. Maybe this is a martini. I love martinis, so I should know what they look like, but I'm not sure if that's a martini because I'm not sure if I've had a pink martini, but you can, I'm sure. So I'll just shut up because I sound like an idiot. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Okay, that might be all that I use in this one. Maybe, baby. All right, so let's go ahead and fill it in. So I'm going to put happy birthday. And then I'm going to put happy birthday. Tracy. And I'll put a smiley on this one too. Okay, so some weekly goals are comments. I need to do an insurance for protein video. Card series. And I didn't really do a video on what do y'all want to see. So I still need to post a short video about that. And then I also want to know any questions you guys might have, so then I can go ahead and do a question and answer if you are interested. So I'm going to write comments. I'm not going to write comments on Tuesday because I won't be able to get to them. Wednesday, comments. And I need to do, well, I'd like to do a Julie nutting video. I haven't done one of those for a little bit. And one of my Sanrio, the Gorgeous Girls. I think that's how they spell it. I'd like to do a video with using some of them too. And card series. And I'm going to write this up here, 6 weeks. What I eat in a day. I'm trying to do that today, but we will see if I get that done. So that, I think, is everything that I want to get done this week. And, oh, you know what? That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I also need to do, I'm going to write thank yous. And I'm going to put it over here too. Thank yous. And then I also want to do my end of month. Haven't finished that. I started it, but I haven't finished it. And then when I was putting this up, there was something else I was thinking. Oh yeah, my cards. I need to mail cards. You know what? I think I'll put that on this day. I think I can get the mail out. Mail cards to winners. Winners is kind of a weird word because it wasn't really a contest, but you know what I mean. And better yet, I know what I mean, which is what is important. So that is that. I'm going to go ahead and put my little paperclip on this day. And I've been keeping track of who has sent me their address so that I can mail their card to them. And I will try to reach out to those that I don't have addresses for shortly so that I can get that done. And that is that. So happy week. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye-bye.